Good morning, students. From Standard 7 English Medium. Chapter number 1 Nouns. In this chapter, I have already explained the types of noun and definition of the nouns and some of the exercise of abstract noun, attribute noun. So, today I am going to explain the collective nouns. One of the nouns, collective nouns. What is collective nouns? Collective nouns are names of groups. What? Names of group or sets of persons, animals or things forming a unit. Forming a unit. That is called collective nouns. Okay. So there are so many units forming a nouns. Let's see which are they. Here given are some examples. The Indian hockey team played well in the last World Cup. See, hockey team. The orchestra is very popular. A herd of elephant. Here orchestra means a group, musician of group. Herd of elephants, herd of sheep, herd of elephant. This is the elephants. There are so many elephants living in a group. What we call it's a herd. Then a swarm of bees. Swarm of bees. Groups of bees in we call swarm. What? They travel out of the forest. There are other also few collective nouns have been given below. There are some collective nouns given below. Which are they? Let's see. Here given the number 1, a bunch of keys. There are so many keys. It's a word bunch. One means the collection of keys. A bunch is a name. Then a class of students. There are so many students in the class, but there are a group. Okay, groups. So we call a class of students. A waddle of penguin. Here, waddle. A pack of wolves means group. So many wolves. A pack of wolves. A company of actors. A band of musicians. A block of flats. A cloud of dust. A team of players. An archaeology of islands. A pair of shoes means 2 shoes. A school of fish and a shoal of fish also. And there are other names of collective nouns such as people, an assembly of people. Then also a brood of chicken, brood, a brood of chickens. There are so many chickens. Then the stick. What we use for this stick? Bundle. What? Bundle of sticks. Then the other name also what we called for this sheep, we call flock of flock, flock of sheep, flock of birds also we can say. Then the word for cars, for which? Fleet of cars. For what? Fleet of cars. We use one. That's which word? Then about the drovers. What? A chest of drovers. What we call a chest of drovers. Then next there are words which for goats. What? For gods. A herd of gods. Then for grass, grass. What we for grass? A turf, turf, a turf of grass. Then the what we word for sailor, sailors in a plural. What? There we call a crew. What? A crew. That is the word for crew. Then the word for what? Photographs. What? We photographs for album use. Okay. album for an album of photograph, that we collective noun, album of photographs. Then the word for flowers, what we called bouquet, bouquet, a bouquet of flowers. And there are we use for eggs, what we said eggs for a clutch of, a clutch, a clutch of eggs. And there are so many names for these trees. For trees, what we call for trees, a grove, a grove, a grove of trees. And set for the stars, a galaxy of stars. For books, a stack of books. Tools, a set of tools. So these are the collective nouns. So in this page number 11, in this page there is an exercise given. Which exercise? Fill in the blanks with appropriate collective nouns from the box below. Okay, here is given the box, which here yellow. The first word is orchard, chest, flock, vineyard, stake, bunch, grove, bunch, herd, school, and collection. These words are given in this box. So what we do, which word for use for? Let's see. Here is the first example given. Remy collects stamps. Remy collect stamps. So this is the stamps. There are so many stamps. What is the word for stamp? Collection. Collection of stamps. So she is very proud of her collection. Get the point? There are so many stamps. So we use the collection word for the stamps. So collection of stamps, that is the collective noun. So there is a blank of drawers. So for the drawers, what we use? We use this, a chest. What we use here? Write a chest. Okay, there is a chest of drawers in her room. So this is the third one. Now she keeps her what? Let's see the page now. Next page. She keeps her blank of books in it. What is the word for books here given? That is book of, stack of books. What? Her stack of books. Stack of books is the answer. Number second answer. Now comes to the next page. Then the third one. Here there is a beautiful blank of flowers. What we use for flowers? Bouquet not given. So bunch of flowers in vase on it. Oh, in a vase. There are so many flowers in a vase. So what we call it? We called bunch. So next, second sentence here. Asif visited a farm in a village this summer. He was thrilling to see a blank of fish in the pond. Blank of fish in the pond. In the first, I tell you so many collective nouns. And for the sheep, for the fish, there is the word. Which word? Here given school. What? School. So here we write, he was thrilled to see a school of fish. What? A school of fish, or instead of writing school, shoal. We say a shoal of fish, and here in this blank, in this blank we write what? School, or we say SH OAL. Both are right for that. For fish, both are right. School of fish and shoal of fish. Okay, here. This blank. Of fish in the pond. He played with a blank of sheep and a blank of goats in the field. I already said when I say so many collective nouns. Okay, so in this blank, blank of sheep. What blank of sheep? Here write flock of sheep. What? Flock of sheep. Flock of birds and flock of sheep. And goats. Goats for herd of goats here. Right, herd of goats in the field. Herd of elephants also. Goats and elephants. Now comes the next. The farm had a huge blank of banana trees. What? Banana trees. For the bananas, I already know that is the word, a grove. That's the word grove. This is remove. Wait. GROVE. Grove. Here in this page given. What? Grove. This is grove of bananas. Grove of bananas. So here the farm had a huge grove of banana trees. GROVE. Grove of bananas. Then a mango. A mango, blank and a blank. Here, so in this blank, a mango orchard. Okay, orchard is the answer of the blank. See, grove, then here given the orchard, which this one, mango of orchard. Okay, then the next blank, and a blank through he did not see any grapes there. What? For the grapes we use here in this blank, vineyard. Okay, vine of grapes, vineyard of grapes. So that's the last vine of vineyard. Through he did not see any grapes there. While going home at the end of the day, he picked a blank of bananas for his mother. So here we use at the last, here in the last blank, fill in the blanks, we use the bunch of bananas for his mother. So this is the information given in collective nouns. I hope you understand it and try to remember it, these collective nouns. Okay, thank you for listening me.